So you just saw Destin's video on the Smarter Scrubber, and I saw a comment saying you made like a 40-minute video and you didn't even show it in action. So I figure I have one. I just grilled some burgers tonight and just watched that video, so I'm going to use it and I'll let you see how it works on my little Weber grill. First of all, I am not a grilling expert. I've had this for years. I got it for Father's Day right after we got married, and it's cooling down. It's still like maybe 100 degrees or something. But the first thing I noticed when I brought it outside was on my little rack here, it actually hangs down and almost touches the ground, but doesn't quite. So I think I'm going to shorten up this little guy here. And it's red, white, and blue, I guess, in honor of the Made in America-ness. But as I found that this knob on top seems like it might not be made in America, but you can watch Destin's video to find out more about that. Anyway, I just cooked some burgers. I think I cooked 7 or 8 burgers, and the grill is a little dirty. It's not bad. This is actually a new grate this year because I've had this for 10 years, and after 10 years, the grate doesn't look so good. So here we go. And whatever's underneath will burn off next time I grill, but that's it. And you can see there's some dirt on there. I can throw that in the dishwasher, or last time I just pulled this off and I cleaned it in my sink. It's not that hard. And that's it. I don't know. You can leave any questions about it in the comments. I can still feel a little bit of heat coming off of there. And that's the grill brush. It is kind of like a medieval weapon with the chainmail on one end and the length of it and the heft of it. It's you could definitely hurt somebody if they come and try to steal your grill, although it would probably burn them too. I apologize for the sound down here. The kids are upstairs and it's a little bit loud, but I did want to mention that this was sent to me by Destin. I tested an early version. Mine doesn't even have the laser etching, the cool, made in USA and Smarter Scrubber and all that kind of stuff. This was an earlier model, and I just hand cleaned it for like 20 seconds upstairs in my sink. If I run it through the dishwasher, it'll catch the little bit of gristles that's stuck in the bottom there. It's a good product. It's expensive. It's
$75.
But I would gladly pay that. I used to have a wire bristle brush. It's very hard to say that word. And I got rid of it and switched to the kind of like the plasticky ones that kind of work. I tried the aluminum foil method, all these different things. I got rid of that wire bristle one because one time I cooked chicken and one of the chicken breasts had a little whisker stuck in it. And if I had not caught that, one of my kids or me would have probably been in the hospital having a surgery to get that thing out of our throats. So, this is a product that I think, in hindsight, this is like, why doesn't something like this already exist? Well, Destin made one, and he has a patent on it, I think. Anyway, check out his video. It's a good video, and it goes into a lot of why this thing costs
$75.
and also why this knob on top is actually not made in America. It's ironic because that's the part that has the American flag on it. Hopefully they'll be able to make the whole thing, every single part in America, without any weird supply chain issues, but it's a complex issue, and now we're getting way off topic, but this is Level 2 Jeff. We do what we want here. Anyway, I will see you later.